Welcome to CyberTheo. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 video editors you need to know about. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, finding the right video editing software is crucial for your projects. We'll explore the pros and cons of each top contender to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. Overview. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional-grade video editing software widely used in the industry for its comprehensive features and powerful tools. It's suitable for both amateurs and professionals looking for high-quality video editing capabilities. Pros. Professional features: offers advanced tools like multicam editing, color grading, and special effects. Integration: seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as After Effects and Photoshop. Customization: extensive plugins and extensions available for added functionality. Regular updates: frequent updates with new features and improvements. Cons. Cost: subscription-based pricing can be expensive, especially for individual users. Learning curve: steeper learning curve for beginners due to its advanced features. Performance: can be resource-intensive, requiring a powerful computer for smooth operation. 2. Final Cut Pro X. Overview. Final Cut Pro X is Apple's professional video editing software known for its intuitive interface and powerful performance. It's particularly popular among Mac users and offers a range of advanced editing features. Pros. User-friendly, intuitive interface with a focus on ease of use, especially for Mac users. Performance: optimized for Mac hardware, providing smooth and fast performance. Magnetic timeline: unique timeline system that simplifies editing and arrangement of clips. One-time purchase: requires a one-time payment, making it more affordable in the long run compared to subscription models. Cons. Mac only, available only for Mac OS, limiting options for Windows users. Learning curve: while user-friendly, mastering all features can still take time. Fewer plugins: compared to Adobe Premiere Pro, it has fewer third-party plugin options. 3. DaVinci Resolve. Overview. DaVinci Resolve offers a robust set of video editing tools combined with advanced color correction capabilities. It's popular for its high-quality color grading and is available in both free and paid versions. Pros. Free version: the free version is feature-rich and includes professional-grade tools. Color grading: exceptional color correction and grading tools used in professional film production. Multi-user collaboration: supports collaborative workflows with multiple users. Regular updates with new features and improvements. Cons. Complexity: the extensive range of features can be overwhelming for beginners. Performance: high system requirements, especially for advanced color grading and effects. Learning curve: steep learning curve due to its advanced features and tools. 4. Sony Vegas Pro. Overview. Sony Vegas Pro is a versatile video editing software that offers a range of features suitable for both amateur and professional editors. It's known for its user-friendly interface and powerful editing tools. Pros. User-friendly, intuitive interface that is easier to navigate for beginners compared to some other professional software. Features: comprehensive editing tools, including advanced effects, transitions, and audio editing. One-time purchase: available as a one-time purchase rather than a subscription. Performance: good performance with moderate system requirements. Cons. Price: can be expensive, especially for the Pro version. Stability issues: some users report occasional stability issues and crashes. Limited Mac support: primarily designed for Windows, with limited support for Mac OS. 5. HitFilm Express. Overview. HitFilm Express is a powerful video editing software that offers a range of features for free, with the option to purchase additional features through add-ons. It's suitable for both beginners and more experienced editors. Pros. Free version offers a comprehensive set of tools for free, including special effects and transitions. Special effects, strong focus on visual effects and compositing. User-friendly, easier for beginners to pick up compared to some professional software. Affordable upgrades, optional add-ons allow users to customize their toolset. Cons. Learning curve, some features may require time to master. Performance, can be resource-intensive, needing a capable computer for smooth operation. Limited advanced features, some advanced features are only available through paid add-ons. Thanks for watching. I hope this overview of the top video editors helps you find the perfect tool for your editing needs. Each software has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your specific requirements and preferences when making a choice. Check out the links below for more detailed reviews and tutorials, and don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.